Figure has unveiled the Figure 2, a second-generation humanoid that the AI robotics company hopes to complete jobs in commercial applications and perhaps someday households. The 5'6", 154-pound robot can move at approximately 2.6 miles per hour and includes various technologies, including actuators, sensors, batteries, electronics, artificial intelligence, and computer vision. Figure engineers and designers employed a ground-up hardware and software redesign while building the humanoid. According to the company, Figure 2 features integrated cabling, which enables improved reliability, more compact packaging, and concealed wires. Figure 2 reportedly offers 3 times the AI inference and computation capabilities of its predecessor, which enables the fully autonomous performance of real-world AI jobs. The robot can operate for 5 hours thanks to its 2.25 kilowatt-hour battery. During this runtime, the humanoid can display its speech-to-speech capabilities, which are made possible by microphones and speakers connected to AI models. Furthermore, the 6 RGB cameras support Figure 2's vision language model to enhance fast common sense visual reasoning. The company also highlighted the humanoid's hands, which offer 16 degrees of freedom and strength comparable to that of a human. Additional features include shoulder joints with a 148-degree range of motion and 50 Nm of torque, knee joints with a 135-degree range and 150 Nm of torque, and hip joints with a 195-degree range and 150 Nm of torque. The company partnered with BMW to see how Figure 2 would handle a factory setting. During the test period, the robot inserted sheet metal parts into fixtures, which were then assembled as part of the chassis. Milan Nedeljkovic, a member of the board of management for production at BMW AG, notes that the company will next determine possible applications for humanoid robots in production, saying, quote, "The developments in the field of robotics are very promising." I'm Nolan Beilstein, this is Manufacturing Now.